Welcome to another Alliance Clean Take. At Alliance Manufacturing, we build industrial parts cleaning equipment. We pride ourselves on maintenance-friendly features. One of these features are the pull-out removable spray headers, which allows quick and easy access to spray nozzles for cleaning and adjustments. With a few simple steps, spray manifolds can slide in and out without the need for tools or complicated instructions. Step 1. Remove the full access canopy. Step 2. Pop-up quick release header lock. Step 3. Slide spray header out of the machine. Note that this feature is especially important on wider conveyor machines where nozzles at the back of the machine could otherwise be extremely difficult to reach. Both spray headers above and below the conveyor are accessible in the same fashion. Step 4. Remove and inspect nozzles and clean or change if required. Clip-on nozzles allow for quick change-out. Coupled with the full access canopy, slide-out spray headers can eliminate confined space conditions and greatly increase machine uptime. Step 5. Replace canopy on machine and you're back in operation. Alliance Manufacturing continues to lead the parts cleaning market with innovative designs and maintenance-friendly features like removable spray headers. Please remember to follow instructions in your manual and use appropriate safety precautions when working on any piece of equipment.
Thank you for watching this Alliance Clean Take. For more information, contact us today.